Thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. Today we discuss floral arrangement. Floral arrangements have been a form of artistic expression for centuries, captivating us with their beauty, fragrance, and ability to transform spaces. From elaborate centerpieces at grand events to simple bouquets adorning a dining table, floral design is an art form that allows us to bring the natural world into our lives. Mastering the art of flower design is a skill that combines creativity, knowledge of botanical elements, and an understanding of aesthetics, resulting in captivating arrangements that inspire and delight. At its core, floral design is about more than simply placing flowers in a vase. It is a harmonious blend of colors, shapes, textures, and proportions, where each element works together to create a visually pleasing composition. The artistry lies in the ability to combine different flowers, foliage, and accessories to convey a specific theme or evoke a particular emotion. Whether it's a romantic wedding bouquet, a cheerful centerpiece for a celebration, or a serene arrangement for a peaceful space, floral design has the power to set the mood and make a statement. To master the art of flower design, one must start with a solid foundation of knowledge. Understanding the characteristics of various flowers and foliage, such as their lifespan, color palettes, and structural properties, is essential. This knowledge enables designers to select the right materials for each arrangement, ensuring longevity and cohesiveness in their creations. Additionally, familiarity with the principles of design, such as balance, proportion, rhythm, and harmony, helps create visually pleasing arrangements that draw the eye and evoke a sense of beauty. One of the key aspects of floral design is the ability to tell a story through flowers. A skilled designer can convey emotions, narratives, or even cultural symbolism through their arrangements. Flowers have long been associated with specific meanings and symbolism, such as roses representing love, lilies symbolizing purity, or sunflowers signifying happiness. By incorporating these symbolic elements into their designs, floral artists can create arrangements that resonate with their intended audience on a deeper level. In recent years, floral design has evolved beyond traditional bouquets and centerpieces, embracing a more contemporary and artistic approach. Floral installations, for instance, have gained popularity, allowing designers to create immersive experiences using flowers as their medium. These installations can range from large-scale art installations in public spaces to smaller, more intimate designs in private events. They often push the boundaries of traditional floral design, incorporating unconventional materials, unique color palettes, and innovative techniques to create captivating and thought-provoking displays. Technology has also played a role in the evolution of floral design. With the aid of computer-aided design, CAD, software and 3D printing, designers can experiment with new forms and structures, pushing the limits of what can be achieved with flowers. These advancements have opened up new possibilities for creating one-of-a-kind arrangements and pushing the boundaries of creativity. Floral design is not limited to professional florists. It is a skill that can be learned and enjoyed by anyone with a passion for flowers and creativity. Taking classes or workshops in floral design can provide aspiring designers with the knowledge and techniques needed to bring their ideas to life. Additionally, hands-on practice and experimentation are essential for developing one's personal style and honing their skills. Ultimately, mastering the art of flower design requires a combination of technical knowledge, artistic vision, and a deep appreciation for nature's beauty. It is an art form that allows us to connect with the natural world, expressing our emotions and creating moments of beauty and joy. Whether it's a single stem in a bud vase or an elaborate floral installation, each arrangement has the power to captivate, inspire, and leave a lasting impression on those who experience it. So, unleash your creativity, embrace the beauty of flowers. Links can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.